Does saving money look restrictive, intense, and boring to you? But what if I told you it is one of the keys to having a financial breakthrough? If you are wondering how if it's possible, this video is filled with tips packed with information that will help you enjoy saving money. Let's begin. Create a savings vision board. Creating a savings vision board can be an incredibly empowering and enjoyable way to make saving money fun and inspiring. It serves as a powerful tool to keep you motivated and focused on your savings journey. Here's how you can go about creating one. You can start by identifying your financial goals. Do you want to save for a dream vacation, buy a new home, pay off debts, build an emergency fund, or invest for your future? Clarifying your objectives will give you a clear direction for your vision board. Search for images that represent your financial goals and dreams. Look for pictures of your dream destinations, your ideal home, inspiring quotes about financial success, or anything else that sparks motivation and joy in you. The process of crafting the board should be enjoyable and engaging. When you look at your vision board, imagine yourself achieving each goal. Visualize the experiences, the emotions, and the sense of accomplishment you feel once you've attained your financial objectives. This practice will keep you inspired and determined to stick to your savings plan. Put your savings vision board in a place where you see it every day, like your bedroom, office, or even as your phone's wallpaper. The more you are exposed to your goals and dreams, the more committed you'll be to making them a reality. Educate yourself. Educating yourself about personal finance and money management is not only essential, but can also be an enjoyable and inspiring journey. You can start by exploring the vast world of finance. Read books, articles, and blogs about personal finance, investing, budgeting, and wealth building. There are numerous entertaining and informative resources that can simplify complex financial concepts and make them enjoyable to learn. Seek inspiration from successful individuals who have achieved financial independence. Read biographies or watch interviews with billionaires and financially savvy individuals. Learning from their experiences and strategies can provide valuable insights and spark your own creativity in managing your finances. As a billionaire, Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Make it a game. Let's say you want to save up for a dream vacation to a tropical paradise. You create the Sunny Escapade Challenge with a specific savings target and a timeline of 6 months. You set up a savings tracker in your room, visualizing a palm tree with coconuts, and every time you save a certain amount, you add a new coconut to the tree. Throughout the challenge, you find yourself more engaged and enthusiastic about saving money. Feel a sense of accomplishment with each added coconut on the palm tree, and the thought of sipping coconut water on a sandy beach motivates you to keep going. By the end of 6 months, not only have you saved enough for your dream vacation, but you've also gained valuable insights into your spending habits and discovered a newfound love for financial responsibility. Remember, the key is to make saving money enjoyable, celebrate your progress, and embrace the journey as an empowering adventure. By making it a game, you find that saving money becomes an inspiring and satisfying part of your life. Explore frugal living. Frugal living encourages us to pause and reflect on our spending habits. It's not about denying ourselves things, but rather understanding what brings genuine happiness and fulfillment. Every purchase becomes an opportunity for creativity as we explore alternative, cost-effective solutions. Embrace thrift stores and garage sales as treasure troves of unique finds, turning the hunt for a bargain into a thrilling adventure. As you embrace frugality, you begin to notice the positive impact on your finances and overall well-being. You have more funds to invest in experiences that truly matter to you, like traveling to your dream destination or pursuing a passion project. You relish the newfound financial freedom, which inspires you to continue exploring frugal living with zest and optimism. Remember, embracing frugality is not about restriction. It's about prioritizing what brings genuine joy and fulfillment to our lives. By weaving creativity, gratitude, and empowerment into our money-saving efforts, we create a life that is abundant in meaningful experiences, deep connections, and financial well-being. Frugality becomes a joyful journey of self-discovery and an inspiring path to a fulfilling life. Practicing gratitude. Research has shown that practicing gratitude has numerous benefits. It helps us see the abundance in our lives even when we are on a budget. Rather than feeling deprived or restricted by saving money, we recognize the wealth of opportunities and experiences that are still available to us. This shift in perception turns saving from a chore into an exciting exploration of the possibilities that lie ahead. Gratitude allows us to celebrate every step of our saving journey, whether it's saving a small amount each week or reaching a significant milestone. We acknowledge and appreciate our progress. This sense of celebration keeps us motivated and inspired, transforming the act of saving money into a source of joy and pride. I encourage you to try a 30 days gratitude challenge and see how contented you will feel, and watch how your motivation to save money increases. If you are willing to try this challenge, comment G in the comments below. I'll see you there. Visualize your financial freedom. Visualizing future financial freedom is a powerful concept that involves creating a vivid mental image of the financial independence and security you desire. It's about imagining a life where you have achieved your financial goals and have the freedom to pursue your passions and dreams without worrying about money. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Imagine yourself in the future, living your ideal life with financial freedom. Picture the details vividly. The sights, sounds, and emotions you experience. See yourself enjoying your dream lifestyle, unburdened by financial stress. Also, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share the goal of achieving financial freedom. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups where you share experiences, tips, and support each other's journey. Read success stories. Imagine that one day you come across a book that features success stories of people who started with humble beginnings but managed to achieve remarkable financial freedom through saving money. As you read these stories, you find yourself captivated by their experiences and inspired by their determination. One story in particular resonates deeply with you. It's about a woman who decided to take control of her financial future after facing a financial setback. She began by creating a detailed budget, setting aside a portion of her income for savings and investments. Over time, she consistently saved and invested, and her efforts started to compound. Eventually, she reached a point where her investments generated enough passive income to support her desired lifestyle, allowing her to pursue her passions without financial constraints. As you read this story, you start to feel a sense of excitement and hope. You begin to visualize your own financial success and imagine how achieving financial freedom would positively impact your life. You are motivated to take immediate action and implement the saving strategies you've learned from these success stories. To keep the inspiration alive, you decide to create a habit of regularly reading or listening to similar success stories. You join online forums or follow blogs of people who share their financial journeys and offer tips on saving money. you find that this habit not only keeps you motivated, but also provides you with valuable insights and new ideas to optimize your own saving practices. As the months go by, you notice the progress you've made in saving money. Your emergency fund is growing steadily, and you've started investing in assets that align with your financial goals. You also find joy in sharing your own small successes with others in online communities, inspiring fellow savers who may be going through similar challenges. Reading success stories has transformed the way you view saving money. It's no longer a tedious task, but an exciting adventure towards achieving financial freedom. The stories of real people who have accomplished what you aspire to do serve as constant reminders that your dreams are within reach. Each success story reaffirms your belief in the power of saving and inspires you to continue on your path, knowing that you too can create your own financial success story. Treat saving as self-care. Saving money is not about denying yourself the pleasures of today. It's about securing the freedom to create your tomorrow. Imagine a scenario where you start approaching saving money with the same enthusiasm and dedication you would apply to any self-care routine. Think of saving money as an investment in your future self. Just as self-care nourishes your body and soul, saving money nourishes your financial health and empowers you to live life on your own terms. It's not about deprivation or sacrificing your present joy. It's about building a strong foundation for the life you envision. By treating saving as an act of self-care, you give yourself the gift of financial freedom, where your choices are not limited by money, but guided by your dreams. When you look at saving money as taking care of yourself, it will boost your motivation to cultivate saving money habit. Track your progress regularly. You can track your progress by using a savings tracker, whether it's a physical chart on your wall or a digital spreadsheet, to see your progress visually. Watching the chart fill up or the numbers increase can be immensely satisfying and give you a sense of accomplishment. In the digital age, there are numerous savings apps and tools available that can make tracking your progress more enjoyable. Some apps offer a visual representation of your savings goals and progress, and you can even customize them with fun avatars or themes. Reflect on achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate each achievement, no matter how small. Whether you reach a certain savings amount or successfully avoid an unnecessary expense, pat yourself on the back and treat yourself with a reward. This will give you the positive attitude and motivation necessary for you to achieve your saving goals. To everyone who's watching this, welcome to Money and the Me, a place where you'll be enlightened about the world of finance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for new releases. Want to know more about the various things you can do to save money by spending less? Check out this video. Thank you for watching, dear viewers. See you in the next video.